Adding the card on the phone. Processing. Processing. We're processing. Alright, 1 minute. Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's get in there.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today we are going to do some live copping on the Supreme website. It's Box Logo Day! Parkour! That's right, I specifically put on the half-evil Pokemon shirt today for this. Gotta cop 'em all! Box Logo?
Disloyal, fool-ass, bitch-made punk.
That's right, we're still not sure if it is a box logo. Supreme calls it a box logo. It definitely, though, does not have the word Supreme anywhere on the shirt. We've gotten some pictures early from the folks that are getting in store in Europe, and no, there is no subtle Supreme anywhere on it, just a red stain. The streetwear community seems very divided on this particular box logo, so that is definitely going to hurt the demand and the resell of this shirt. So we'll see what happens. There's probably going to be some panic selling, all that kind of stuff. Either way, I really want one for the personal. Obviously, I'm on a ship, so it's going to be really hard for me to be very fast. The best friend of the channel, Lewis, though, is going to be running a slot for me, so hopefully he can catch one if I don't. All right, I need to get the computer set up so I do not miss the drop altogether. I'll catch you in a second. Alright folks, I've gathered the computer. We are ready to go here. I'm going to be trying to use my phone. This computer is very, very slow, and then I'm also using the software to record. So I will try on the computer. We'll see what happens there. But I'm far more ready to go on the phone, so let's see what happens. It's very slow at the moment, so I'm very worried. That does not look good so far, for sure. So let's see what happens. Alright, computer seems like it's loading a little better than the phone. I'm gonna just keep trying to go to the t-shirt page, and as soon as it loads in, I might just try to go for an olive one so I can get a win, honestly, to be fair. It's 10:59, I'm East Coast now. Let's do it, boys. We are here, t-shirts are loading. T-shirt, new tartan wool. Ralph Steadman box logo. I'll go with that one. Large. Adding the cart. Adding the cart on the phone. Check out now. Apple Pay. Check out now. Processing. 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 We're processing. Try to get another one if I can. It looks like they're still in stock. Let's try for a big one, huh? Add the cart. Sold out. Uh-oh. Are they all sold out? Large. Add to cart. Payment not accepted. Oh, my whole phone died. Great. Check out now. I'm just trying to get it now. Oh my god, what is going on? Yeah, this is bad. I have no connection here. I'm just gonna try to get what I can, honestly, at the end of the day. Try this stupid blue one. Oh my god. Add to cart. Check out now. Come on, this is so slow, please. Process the payment, please. Please wait. I've got it. This is definitely my cart. Oh, the box logo is out? Okay. That's about what I figured, though. I guess I can definitely get a Steadman shirt, right? Nobody wants that. What the heck is going on here? This thing keeps dying on me! I want this guy in my cart. Got it, okay. And then I want this fucking person tee, man. I want this one. Peach, that one's sold out. I'll take the teal. I'll take it. And let's go. Let's just go. Copping t-shirts from the ocean. Can I get anything? This is just personals. I suck. What can I do?
Yeah, boy.
I didn't even see I didn't even look at the magnets. Damn it. I didn't even look at the magnets. I think this is going through for sure. Yep, I did. Okay, cool. I got that. I didn't even look at the damn magnets. I'm sure they're gone. They gotta be gone, right? Dude, I caught from the ocean. I don't care. Dang it, they're here. Zippo. Just a second little cart of junk. Large black. Add to cart. Check out now. And then I'm good. If I can get this, I'm gonna go home. If I can get this, I am gonna stop. I'm gonna quit. This was so slow, but I think I'm getting what I want. Seems like nobody was around. That's good. I didn't get a box logo because obviously my internet was so slow. I did load it on the phone and the phone completely died. So let's get these magnets. I kind of want these magnets. Get an extra cart of stuff. Let's do it. Boom! Boom! Look at that! Look at this kid! Getting it all done. Alright folks, I didn't get a box logo, that was for sure, but I was able to get a couple of things after the fact. It did seem like it was very possible to cop, so I'm sure I'm going to see a lot of success from you guys. I definitely see a lot of success in the Discord this morning already, so great job guys. I see some double carts in there too. That's what I wanted to see.
Simply, you know, just...
Okay, you know, that wasn't too bad. I did end up getting all the things that I wanted for myself at least. But no box logo. Ah! Or was there? That's right, friend of the channel Lewis came through, cook god of the century. He got me a black, large box logo. Exactly what I wanted. It's for me, it's for the kid. I had to get a Ralph Steadman box logo. I was actually already looking at StockX to potentially pick one up. The Brick Boys and Panic Sellers are definitely trying to tank this shirt bad. So if you want, it's probably the best time to pick one up because these people need to pay mama back now. So Lewis is the man. Definitely follow him on Instagram. And join the Discord. Guys like Lewis, dime a dozen in there.
You are a smelly pirate hooker.
Alright, so that's part one of the 1-2 punch. Although I know I didn't actually cop it myself, I still got it. So now I'm going to throw you over to one of the smartest, funniest, handsomest chaps that you've ever seen. Take it away, Faunt. And thank you too, sir. You are a gentleman and a scholar. What a great dude. That's right, it's Friday, and I am still on a ship, and I'm still too dumb to not stop trying to buy shoes. So today I am going to go after the Union Dunks. Well, that's just wishful thinking. Of course we're going after Jordan 2s today. The orange, burnt orange, whatever they call it, colorway of the shoe is the Union exclusive, so it's only available on the Union site. That'll be the shoe that I'm going to try to go after today. And if it's possible, I might try to get a pair of the slides as well. Give a little shout out to the man upstairs, his weekend. Happy Easter to everybody.
325 on the dashboard, riding the Porsche, rocking Tom Ford.
Hopefully that helps me cop some shoes. It's not like he has anything better to worry about, right? Alright, we are back on the computer again. I am doing the Union live cop today. I don't really have a lot of faith in this. I just hope this is going to be entertaining for you guys to watch. Personally, I kind of dig the bluer shade. That one is going to release on sneakers as well. I don't have a lot of faith. I am kind of still in the middle of an ocean here. Just being able to hit this website is a miracle from the heavens. 0 minutes remaining on this thing. I mean, the network is down. Jesus Christmas. This was supposed to be the cop of the day, and now I'm getting this flippin' no internet sign. The internet came back about a minute after I turned off, so I jumped in line. I'm gonna see if I can grab these sandals at any rate. I didn't think I could get into a line for the shoes. Oh man, it put me in there. Okay, look, I snuck in. Great. Let's see if I can do that. This is like longest live cop ever. I'm not used to the checkout queues at all. I'm used to just Supreme giving me an L and being gone with it. Give me an L! And what's funny is I have spotty internet. 1 minute. Oh, please just hold on. Please, internet, just hold for, I don't know, give me a minute and a half. I can't believe that this stuff is still available. Holy crap.
That vision of the big winner somehow emerging from the last-minute pre-dawn chaos.
1 minute left. Come on, guys. It's been more than a minute. I know it's been more than a minute since it told me 1 minute. I guess my internet's dead, right? That's probably what happened. Oh, God, please don't let me dead. Oh, my God. This is cruel. Do you see what the Lord tries to do to me? This is what happens to me. 1 minute. I mean, I don't need to buy $200 Jordan 2s, you know, but just let the kid do something for once. I wonder if it'll just pick me back up, though. Like, it'll come back. Why? This is hilarious. The internet has died, so on my phone it says internet can't be reached. This is not important at all, but this is how God likes to go. He likes to stick me in the side every now and again. He just does, and it's playful. This is all playful banter. Haha, you got me, bud. Now I'm sure both of those are going to do amazing on the resale market because I wasn't able to grab them. This sucks. I was going to get them. And I was going to go, ha, yay, what a show for you guys. Cop the box logo and the Unions, the double cop of the week. But no, internet. Fuck you, internet.
5 minutes later.
Well, guess what? I had a conference with the big guy upstairs, and he's giving me another chance. They're rerunning this entire drop. They're doing it in 2 minutes, people. We have a chance. I'm gonna try to go for the Union exclusive colorway. Apparently their site was messed up, something to that effect. and they're gonna redo the job. So anybody that copped already didn't cop nothing. I'm coming for your shoes. I'm coming for your shoes. Watch out.
Hey, you shut your face!
Button comes up right there. Apparently some people were already getting in if they were in the queue is what I heard. We are at 12:30 now. Shop, there we go. Boom, shop now. Let's get in, let's get in, let's get in, let's get in. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, they still got my card. Nice. Shipping on this was ridiculous. I'm very slow. I'm sorry. I was completely messed up there. Bridge. Bridge. I'm gonna count that as a bridge. Chimney, chimney, chimney. Come on, chimneys. You see a chimney? There's a chimney there, I'm sure.
Wow! Huge.
Motorcycles. Why? There's so many damn motorcycles. I don't see any more. Go. That was way too many captures. That's BS. I know I found those damn chimneys. There's a problem with this website. Oh no, come on. Sold out. Okay, there it is. Continue. Out of stock. Okay, there we go. We took a big L. That was awesome. The site wouldn't refresh. The site wouldn't refresh. We got an out of stock. What can I do? I hope that this was straight comedy for you. The clowning antics of Lord Fauntleroy trying to buy shoes. Has no idea how to do it. I'm on the high seas, though, so I did get out of stock, but I probably would have got it if I was sitting at home in my nice fancy chair, too.
Moron.
If you were able to cop those shoes after all of that nonsense, good job for you. I mean, holy smokes. I was trying to get that 1-2 punch for the week. Even though those box logos aren't doing quite as well as I thought they might. Guys, please don't panic sell the box logo, okay? Shoot for $100. If you don't get $100, don't sell it. They are coming off a little bricky right now, but I think a lot of these panic sales are going to go straight to body. I do see a lot less of these shirts being dead stock down the line than maybe some of the other ones that people buy to hold on to. So basically I would say either rock that box logo or throw it in the closet and forget about it, because it will definitely go up over time.
What is that smell?
I was able to grab a Jordan 1 Marina yesterday from the sneakers app. There was a restock. They're not really going for a ton or anything, but I just think it's a really nice colorway. Got it in my size, so maybe that's just going to be a personal on the horizon. Who knows? Either way, thanks for taking the time to watch me buy things online. And if this video didn't give you all the Fauntleroy that you need, you can check out these videos right here.
Next time I'm in the club, everybody screaming out, God show me the way.